Hello and welcome to today's video, which will be a kind of unusual because we are unboxing the Beeline Moto 2. So let's have a look what's inside. First, obviously, we have the device itself. It sits here in a kind of cardboard bayonet thing. Okay, hold bottom button to power on off. Okay, but first let's peel off this little screen protector and let's have a look what else is in the box. Okay, a quick start guide. Then we have the universal mount, obviously. So this is this plastic part. And okay, here we have one USB charging cable and as well the mount bands for the universal holder. Okay, we leave them inside for the moment, can use them later. Okay, let's switch on the device. Okay, this is obviously a link to the app stores, but as we already have installed them on our phone, let's have a look if it connects. Okay, connecting is super simple. Simply click on this button on the top right corner and the Moto 2 connects. It also performs an update of the firmware of the device, and after that simply tap on the button to plan your ride. The planning screen as well is pretty self-explaining, so simply put your start and your destination here in these fields and then tap on the start button to activate navigation. Yeah, then you can put your smartphone into your pocket and continue with the navigation on the display of the Beeline Moto itself. But more about this in another video. If you liked this video, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And as well, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.